Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to find the value of this expression, 8 minus 5 times open bracket 8 minus 5 close bracket. Are you ready to solve it? Let's get started. At first glance, you might think it's simple and say 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 3 times 3 equals 9. But that answer is actually incorrect. The mistake happens because we did not follow the correct order of operations, which is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division, and addition and subtraction. This means we always saw what is inside parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Now, let's solve it correctly step by step. First, we solve the parentheses. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Now the expression becomes 8 minus 5 times 3. Next, according to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction, so we multiply 5 times 3, which equals 15. Now we have 8 minus 15, and that gives us negative 7. So the correct answer is negative 7, not 9.